Kitu. Kids learning. Welcome kids. Let's learn about domestic animals who live with us. C O W. Cow. Cow gives milk. We become strong by drinking milk. D O G. Dog. Dog is the cutest pet. It is a very honest and trustworthy animal. C A T. Cat. Cat is one of the domesticated animals. It prevents rats from coming to our house. G O A T. Goat. Goat is also a milk animal. It is found around us. H E N. Hen. Hen lays eggs. We become stronger by eating eggs. P I G. Pig. Pig is a pet. It is found around us. S H E E P. Sheep. Sheep is a very cute pet. Warm clothes are made from its skin. H O R S E. Horse. Horse is a very strong animal. It helps in moving from one place to another. C A M E L. Camel. Camel is the largest and Strongest of the domestic animals. It helps us to carry goods from one place to another. D O N K E Y. Donkey. Donkey is a strong animal. It helps us to carry goods from one place to another. Subscribe for more videos.